It's a great run Ariston's done. Sort of like 40 people and big budgets, and Ariston's pretty much done the same thing, but as far as I'm aware, without all the budgets and everything like that. So he's key into what he's doing. All right, over to you, Ariston.
Thank you, Richard, Malcolm, for setting the stage so effectively. Truth is, I'm really thrilled how this initiative will unfold. What Richard said, let us head on directly and head up a familiarity check on the most advanced technology in our current era. My question is, in what instance you can think of encounter this technology? Think of a board, a gadget, or a tool, for example. ChatGPT, right? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, big data analytics, I don't know. Blockchain technology, of course, crypto, Bitcoin, AR, VR technologies, that's virtual reality. Even in real estate, it's being used like for selling their properties. The Internet of Things, Tesla, autopilot, right? ENBD Ava, some kind of robotic assistant to guide you through. If you have any complaints, call the bank. All of this for sure has transformed us. It is in this context that we want to mirror this transformation. If military, doctors, real estate, lawyers, governments all have this AI, all this stuff, we have finance, business, intelligence, technology. All of this are lives. I'm Ariston, your FP&A analyst. Please join me as journey establishing BI-assisted automation, best practice just within Amen Finance, but also potentially extending it across the region. Let's dive in directly to the pilot model view. What you're looking right now for the model that we want to achieve. Note that I built it from scratch. We are now in the phase 1 of this initiative report that you have shared to me on a monthly basis. You're looking right now, this is the KPI. Right now in terms of phasing, right here it will indicate which account we need to pay attention to directly. We can even drill down whatever markets that we want to look at. Now is the market view. Already started this. I've shared this yesterday, an interactive report. You can drill down to whatever information you want, information you need. You know, this is just phase 1. Any feedback from each market, how we can improve this would really be much appreciated, be helpful. And user of this one is not just us, it's everybody. Another thing, example, pen details here, and even drill down up to the GL level. The first two view that I have shown is just mathematical calculation. These are just like a computer can do. This is the game changer right here. Drill down to whatever market or whatever function, give you that specific, commentary. What's the reason behind those variances, the reason behind those gaps? This initially should give you an idea of what this initiative is. Think about how I was able to transform in different files, different systems. This is the capability and potential of this tool. So what is this BI assisted automation? How we can embrace it as a best practice? Well, saying this now, although this initiative starts with us, actually ends with all of you. At first, yes, it might seem that the benefit is for us alone, the decision makers, but eventually this actually empowers everyone, especially all the Excel users. You know why? There are just two things that I wanted to highlight on this screen: manual or repetitive. Anything that is resource extensive, a lot of time to and make it into a report. This technology addresses those pain points. Actually, if you think of it, there is just one data source on everything we do. That is the journal entries, overhead report, A&P compliance report. That is still based on this. We come to think of one journal entry contains everything. It contains the date, period, days, blah blah blah. Since we already have piloted this overhead report, next thing we're gonna do, you can see there's another view. That's the A&P report. With this single source of data, we shouldn't spend so much time with preparation and making to a report. Just like the idea of real-time touch technology. So it should be within just seconds. If we have the templates, we have reports, data is updated, file save, having the report immediately. This will make way for us to review the analysis, check and balance things that we should be doing. This brings me to the next slide. Is how we did it. Very clear that our mission from the beginning is to build a data report. But if you take a look at it, clusters perspective, actually have different systems, legacy systems, Chronicle has, Sage, Business One, allocations from different entities. According to Microsoft, business users consume 80% of their time in data preparation. So instead, what they did, they developed this tool, what is called Power Query. It's what's behind the wonders. And what's interesting to realize is that actually it is accessible in Excel. That's why I said at the beginning, this is not just for me, it's for everyone. Once you try explore Power Query, it would change your perspective on Excel, change the way how you handle Excel forever. Once automation is done, all you need to do is refresh and update your report, and voila, save 80% of your time, do whatever that you want to do. There's more to Power Query actually than meets the eye. It's not just connecting various or automation or repetitive tasks, preparation of any report. Just imagine for now Excel can do what Power BI can do. If you combine those two, you will see productivity and efficiency on a different level. We have this 5-point transformation agenda on how we are going to deal with this. I'm going to discuss the highlights right here. So this is how we are going to transform and build our and promote this as a best practice with each agenda and each corresponding goal. Actually, like dividing categories, we have process, performance, we have people. Right side, you can see efficiency, will be the automation center of excellence, etc. We wrap this up. If anyone wants to reach out, please feel free. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.
And that's really fantastic. And your enthusiasm is really catching. I mean, you can see you've got a passion for it and you've driven this. You know, a lot of people are using Power BI to a different extent in different markets. But I think what you've done is you're looking at the process as well. And, you know, I really thank you to that. It's really excellent. What I ask from everybody, Richard, is passionate about this too, wants this to become best practice, and this is going to evolve as technology evolves, and technology is evolving so fast. 2 years time, we're not going to know, you know, everything's going to look completely different, and at least we start the space and we continually improve upon it. So I think it's really exciting, and just thank you again to Ariston, to Mimi, and the entire team. Well done, Ariston.